The Galaxy Note 9 is unarguably one of the most powerful, fully featured devices ever made. But is it really worth the $1,000 starting price? Or is Samsung just greedily trying to out-Apple the iPhone X? The Note 9 is a superphone through and through. It's got a beautiful 6.4-inch screen with curved glass sides and Samsung's signature shortcut tools. There's a 12-megapixel dual camera with new AI for optimizing your photos. There's a headphone jack, waterproofing, wireless charging, Android 8.1, and a micro SD card slot. But the Note 9's real value boils down to three things. Its enormous 4,000 mAh battery, its gigantic 128 gig or 512 gigabytes of onboard storage, and its trademark S Pen with new built-in Bluetooth tricks. The S Pen can still write, draw, and navigate around, but now it also works like a remote control thanks to a new Bluetooth antenna inside. For example, you can use it to launch the camera app, switch to selfie mode, and take a selfie, all with a few clicks. This was my favorite use by far. You can also open nearly any app, advance your photo gallery, control a presentation, and skip a music track. The remote will work up to 30 feet away for either 30 minutes or 200 clicks before it needs to recharge inside the phone. The Bluetooth S Pen is clever, no doubt, but in the long run, all but the most enthusiastic power users will probably forget this feature even exists. Battery life on the Note 9 is pretty great. It will take you from daybreak to midnight hours, which isn't something I could say for either Galaxy S9 phone. That's fantastic in a pinch, but you should still plan on powering the phone up once a day. 2 hours through the Note 9's fast charging cable is all you need. Samsung says that the 128GB version of the Note 9 can store almost 550 movies and over 22,000 photos. And the 512GB version, that can store over 2,300 movies and more than 93,000 photos. This is fantastic because it means you won't have to constantly worry about deleting videos and shows to make room for more. But a cheaper 64GB phone with support for micro SD card storage is still going to be more affordable in the long run than the Galaxy Note 9. The Note 9 is a beautiful, fantastic phone, but it has a few sticking points. Its camera, while very good, is almost exactly the same as the Galaxy S9 Plus camera, only with a new scene detection feature added in. Unfortunately, this is a little slow to load. Also, the placement of the fingerprint reader is still too close to the camera to feel comfortable and natural in my hand, and the phone's price is through the roof. The Galaxy Note 9 is a great buy if you want to upgrade from an older Galaxy phone or if you're seeking a large screen Android device with all the things. But you might want to hold off if you're really looking for a phone that has cutting edge 5G speeds, an in-screen fingerprint reader, and a 3D front-facing camera. Remember, the Note 9 is an investment phone. This is something you're going to want to hold on to for years.